Good morning, students. So we completed exercise 1.2 yesterday. Now let's move on to the next, that is international system. Now international system of numbering is a numbering system which is accepted in other countries. Okay, we learned about the Indian system in which you had 3 digits in the ones group. Then you had 2 digits in the thousand group, 2 digit in the lakh group, 2 digit in the crore group, है ना? So and so forth. But in the international system, it means if you go abroad, okay, out of India, they don't use lakhs and crores, okay? They don't use lakhs, crores. What they use is this international system of numbering. So let's learn about that today. In this international system of numbering, the first 3 are same. Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay? Comma after that. This is one period, that is ones period. This is the same. Next comes 1000 and 10,000. Okay? This is also same. But after 10,000, they don't put a comma, they don't close this group. Their group has one more number, that is 100,000. Okay, beta? 100,000. In Indian system, we had 10,000. After that, we had lakh. So, in exchange of this, we are using lakh. We don't use 100,000, we use lakh. Okay, but abroad they use the word 100,000. Okay, so this group again has 3 digits and this group is closed now. So you get a period here. Okay, now further what they do is they use million. What they do use million. What you have here is 10 lakh. Okay, getting me? So instead of 10 lakh, they are having million. Instead of lakh, they use 100,000. Now here again, they have 3 digits, same like this. Million, then this will be 10 million. And this will be 100 million. Okay, getting me? So they don't use our Indian system. They use a different system for numbering which has millions in it. Okay, so what is the thing here? They have the international place value chart on page 82. You can see that ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and after that they use the word billion. What they use is billion. So again 3 values in that: billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Getting me? So the use of lakhs, crores is not there in the international system. So 100,000 is equals to lakh, million is equals to 10 lakh, 10 million will be equals to crore. Isn't it? We use crore. And 100 million will be 10. So this is the difference here. These 4 digits are the difference here. This all remains same for both. But this is different. 100,000, lakh, million, 10 lakh. 10 million, crore, and 100 million is 10 crore. So, when you are writing international system, forget about all this. Okay? Don't use lakh, crore, 10 lakh. That is not used here. Here, you use million and billion. Okay? Getting me? And each period has 3 digits in it. Okay, remember that. So commas come after every 3 digits. In Indian system, the commas come, first one is for 3. After that 2, 2, 2 we do, right? But here you will put commas after every 3 digits. Getting me? After every 3 digits you have a comma. And they have ones, tens and hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So let's see. In exercise number 1.3, write the numbers corresponding to the given number names. Also write the number names of the given numbers. So what they want you to do is, you have to write the number name and you have to write the numbers for the given number name. First they have given you number names. Let's see the first one. 940 million. Now this is million group. So whatever is there in the million group, just write it down. What is 940 million? This is your million group. Okay. 373,000. Second is your thousand group. उसमें क्या दिया है? 373,000. So 373,000. This is your thousand group. 924. 924. So this is my number. Getting me? I will put comma after every 3. So this becomes 940 million 373,924. Okay. This is the way you write the number from a number name. So rest I expect you to do it. Okay. If any doubts, any problems, you can ask me. Next is, you have numbers given and you have to write number name. So again read it according to the commas. Okay. First one is easy. 452, 158, 791. 3 commas, 3 digits in each. So 452 million 452 million 158,000 and 791. Next number, they are having only one digit in the third. So that will be 7 million only. 7,084,206. Next is 658 in 1. So nothing in the million section. So 658,412. Next one, 900. Only 900 is given. So 900 million 467,000. Don't forget the groups. Million group, thousand group. Okay. So million 467,999. Okay. So complete this 1.3 exercise. Okay.